and sit down.
Well, without further ado, here's Mean Queen. I know y'all been waiting. All right, everybody, it's getting dark. I wanted to give y'all the first show. I am going to do a second video. I will do a complete walk around of this mower. I will tell you everything I've done, what I have done, and what I have planned to be done. As of right now, Miss Parts and Pieces just wanted to give y'all a little show. She was getting excited. The paint does have silver metallic in it, so during the day it does shine a little bit. Like I said, I will make a video tomorrow probably on everything, and I'll run through it 100% and let y'all know what I did, what I used, what I plan on doing. But Mrs. Parts and Pieces loves it. I'm sorry I kept y'all guys waiting. I just had a lot going on, but like I said, there's more coming. There's more to it, but it is up and going. She loves the shift knob, by the way. She out here tearing up the field. I'm gonna have to get out there and plow that one area or grade the one area. The lights, I love them. Mean looking. Mean. Serves her name. Take off and go that way. Don't run over me. Turn your lights on.
Are they on? Yeah.
Turn your wheel that way a little bit. Come on. Hey everybody, David with Parts and Pieces. Sorry this video has took so long to come. I've been dealing with life in general, the way it's changed. We all are home. My work's changed. My wife works from home. The kids are schooled at home. Everything changed in the middle of this. Weather, rain almost every day. I had to fight that. So like I said, if you've seen me on my, or follow me on my Facebook, I don't have a shed, I don't have an overhang, I don't have anything. I have an oak tree out in the backyard. That's what I do. I work under it. That's what I've always done most of my life. I deal with it, ain't no big deal. But rainy season hit, this is Florida, sorry. So I had that, and then the mean queen herself. She lives up to her name, I promise you that. Everything with that mower from front to back, probably just because I was trying to do more than I really needed to. It was 2 steps forward, 1 step back. I know I said that one time, but some of it was like 1 step or like 3 steps forward, 5 steps back, 1 step forward, 6 steps back. It just back and forth. You know, I do one thing, get one thing fixed, the next thing will come. Just y'all guys know, normal build stuff. But in between all of it, it just added up. Time, everything. Sorry, it's here now though. Like I said, obviously you've watched the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. My wife loves it. This was her first time driving that mower. She's actually never even drove ratchets. The only one she's drove is a regular lawn mower driving, mowing the yard, or spinner, which is automatic. These mowers, this one and ratchet, mean queen, they're timid. They have their own way. You know how that is when y'all build that stuff, or build these mud mowers, and anything you do build out of scratch to a point, you know, and make your own. It's timid, it has its own way. So she was learning her way in this video. She did great. I got some good footage also, you know. I like it. It was cool. She loved it. She's not very much on being on screen on the video, so you're probably not going to see her very much other than riding. She's not going to do much talking. She does all the other stuff. She loves the live chats, by the way. Guys, like I said, I appreciate y'all waiting. I appreciate y'all following me through Facebook and keeping up with everything. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it was worth the wait. Stay tuned for ride videos and everything else to come. We'll get back on more on a routine. Like I said, appreciate all y'all. Thank you very much. It was it's been fun with this one, been exciting. We really wanted to get it out. I was promising everybody and couldn't do it, so we finally did it. We'll get a sunny day ride out. The paint actually has metallic in it, silver metallic, and it does shine in the sun, but we had a stormy day. So I will be doing another video on this mean queen build. I will be breaking the mower down, showing you everything I did, what I used, new, used, whatever I did. I'm gonna show you everything. Break everything down for you. I did some stuff a little bit different, the clutch, all that good stuff. It'll be in the next video. Like I said, a detailed walk around of the whole mower. I lost a lot of footage. I don't know if you follow me on Facebook, I showed a picture of a new computer and a new GoPro. Well, it's not a GoPro, it's like a GoPro, a new camera, because I got weld splatter all over this one, and that's where the little white dots come from if you've seen them in the video. But I haven't tested the new one yet. I'm gonna get it tested. The point with the computer was, and the camera was, this camera got messed up, obviously a little bit. I kind of fixed it. My computer, just say this, it bit the dust while it had my stuff in it. A lot of the actual build for this mean queen, and I lost it. So I have pictures. I will be making a slideshow, and what video I do have left I'll put together. If anybody has any questions about anything I've done to this mower, please just ask in the comments and I'll be glad to try to answer. If you're on Facebook, find me on Facebook. I can message you pictures and I can explain anything y'all want to know on it. I think I have most of the pictures of the build, so at least I got pictures of it. So that was another setback, obviously, but it's all took care of. Like I said, thank y'all again. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. With this one, share it, guys. Share this video as much as y'all want. This is like really important to me. I loved it. I loved the build. It was from my wife. This is actually a woman's mower, not a man's mower. So yeah, put it out there. Let everybody see it. I appreciate it. But like I said, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Thank y'all guys again. Stay tuned. Peace out.